Hey everyone, it's Abe with Cali LED, and today I'm going to show you how to install the dash mount for the brand new 2024 Tacoma. So this kit's going to include a full billet aluminum dash mount. We have these dash mounts available for the big screen and the small screen. The installation is going to be the same. So you're going to get your dash mount and 4 M6 by 40 bolts. We're going to include 4 of these in the kit for you. And the tools you're going to need are number 4 Allen. Let's go ahead and get started. I do want to take a second to show you guys our small screen dash accessory mount. So as you can see, it's going to be pretty similar to the big screen. It's going to be a little bit different shape, but it's still going to utilize the same 4 mounting holes as you'll see on the big screen. So you're still using those M6 bolts that go into these holes, and these holes are going to be available already in the vehicle. So as soon as you take off the trim piece, you're just going to mount this right on top like the big screen and just bolt it down. So first things first, we gotta start by removing this plastic piece here, and all we're gonna use is a plastic pry tool, or you can use a flathead screwdriver or something like that. But this is just held in by 4 tabs that are pointing down. And so all you have to do is pop it up, and it'll expose our 4 bolt holes that we'll get into. So all you have to do is place your dash mount just right in there. It'll sit right in there exactly how it needs to, with the track on the screen side, towards you. So it just drops right in there, just like that. It'll drop in the exact same way on both the big screen and the small screen.
Tighten down all 4 bolts into the dash mount.
So now that you got the dash mount installed and ready to go, we do have Tacform mounts to accessorize. So we do have a Tacform phone mount, we have a Tacform tablet mount, and other stuff in stock and ready to ship. Both of these come with these uniballs, and these uniballs will just slide right into the track specifically made for your dash mount. And so you'll just bolt these down, and all you need to do it is a 3/16 Allen. So these uniballs are super easy to install. All you have to do is slide them in the track like this. And you can go either way with them, left to right or right to left, doesn't matter. So they'll slide in just like that. You can position them where you want later. But 3/16 Allen, go ahead and tighten these down so that we can put on our phone mounts and our tablet mount.
After you've tightened down the uniballs, you can go ahead and tighten down all the arms on your mounts to your uniballs.
And now I have my tablet mount and my phone mount that are completely adjustable, either way, up or down with it on both of these ends here. And I'm all done. And so that's how you install the 2024 Tacoma Dash Mount and Tacform accessory mounts. These are both available for the big screen and the small screen at calirazeled.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this video. We'll see you on the next install.